Hey everyone! There are lots of important configuration steps that need to take place when you're standing up your Azure VMs. And one of those is you need to install endpoint protection for all of your virtual machines. Azure systems without endpoint protection are exposed to viruses and spyware and other malicious software. Installing endpoint protection systems like anti-malware for Azure will provide the real-time protection that you need to help identify and remove those threats. There are also configurable alerts when known malicious or unwanted software attempts to install or run in your Azure systems. By default, endpoint protection is disabled, so be sure to install endpoint protection on all of your VMs. If you'd like to learn more about Azure security, contact one of our cloud experts today.